Hello. Nice. Got cute little motorcycles in there. Nice little Kawasaki. DIY motorcycle garage opening soon. Space is available. I like it. Alright, ladies and gents, I'm here at Union Garage. Welcome to another vlog, and I'm gonna go check out this new motorcycle spot that's opened up. It's not really a motorcycle spot. Well, it is a motorcycle spot, and it's not really a spot that opened up that I can go into. It's basically a what do you call it? A motorcycle like parking spot, parking garage. So it's like a community garage, that's the word. And it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous day, so I figured I'll take a gander over there, because after that I'm gonna get on a highway and just scoot on home. Scoot on home. Wait, there's a speed camera? Oh, half a mile. Not concerned about that, boy. There we go. And that's the Tesla dealership right over here. Yeah. Super fun, super cool. La 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 la. Sorry for that. So that's the Tesla spot. Somebody's calling me. Uncle T from DB. Unfortunately, I am riding a motorcycle, so I cannot respond, but it's okay. It's all right. Look at all those cute little Teslas. So it's adorbs. I do like this area. Good old Red Hook. Still industrial, still full of wonder, childlike wonder. Why was that ad in Chinese? Bizarre. Student driver over here. Come on, bro. Wasn't sure. Let's slow down. Hopefully the speeding camera did not catch me doing that maneuver. The area is thriving, to say the least. Here we are. Cute little taverns, nice little spots. That's funny, that garage is exactly, oh, what is this? Open, Court Street Hero Shop. We'll go there on our way back, because we're gonna go on that street. My boy, what up, t-shirt, huh? It's a little bit chilly for a t-shirt, no? It's all right. We'll go nice and slow. My boy is lost. The little taxi driver. Juice Mart. Whatever I just passed smelled good. I think an oil change really fixed up my little jerkiness. It's a little less jerky now. So where is this garage? Oh, it's back there, right across from Food Bazaar, Hometown Barbecue. That's funny. Life comes full circle. Life certainly comes full circle. Look at that. Done a photo shoot back here. Done a photo shoot back here indeed. You probably can't be here. This is Empire State. All right, I'm gonna turn around. I have no business here, so it's okay. But look how beautiful this is. It's a perfect little spot. I used to come here. Gonna ride past the garage and look in. Take a look. Hello. Nice. Got cute little motorcycles in there. Nice little Kawasaki. DIY motorcycle garage opening soon. Spaces available. I like it. Totes adorbs. It is indeed totes adorbs. Alright, well, let's continue. I'm gonna go to the next street over. Excuse me, sirs, ma'ams. Extra bumpy over here. I like the cobblestone, so I don't mind. Missed the name of that place. Liberty Warehouse. What the fuck is Liberty Warehouse? Nobody knows. But it's okay. We'll go this way. Back that way, there's a key lime pie and a pier. I've been there a few times in my day. Just tried on some, or I didn't. I checked out some pants at Union Garage. I need some new pants. Cute little cocktail lounge. Oh look, it's a Supra. Sick. Cool story, bro. Oh, look at this. It's a cool little space. I do like Red Hook. I'll be the first to admit. A lot of buses around here. Chinese buses. And this is where the Formula E race was. Right over here. Literally in this parking lot right there. Nice little Tesla. Doing all these Tesla test drives. Used to do drag races right here. No, I don't need all that. I don't need to do that. Love it around here. L-O-V-E. Love it. Love it. And now we come back around to Tesla dealership. Ta-da! How about them apples? Wait, am I supposed to go that way? I don't think I am. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Can I go that way? I think so. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. So we'll do. Ooh, so it's telling me to go right. gonna be all right. We're gonna go left. Oh, I know exactly where I'm going. I know exactly where I'm going. There's no more confusion, Tesla boys and girls. I know exactly where I'm going. Union Street, where Union Garage is. That's why it's called Union Garage, because it's on Union Street. Bro, thank you. Please don't hit me. Sweet child of mine. Look at this beautiful New York City. And look at that. Look at that fucking G-Class. God damn. Uh-oh. This car is from Connecticut, which means they're gonna shit their pants 3 times. Just look how slow they're gonna take off. Look, watch. Maybe not. Maybe he's got the skills. Go. Come on. Look at that. Oh God. Oh God. Just pull up just like that. Nobody's too upset. Everybody's gonna figure out that in the long scheme of things, it's fine. Recording. Yeah, for a second I thought maybe I'm talking to myself, which is also okay. I don't mind talking to myself when things get rough, bro. Oh, take a little right here. Smells like marijuana's in the park. Folks is toking and smoking. Yo, my boy is literally gonna take a right on red. He's from upstate. Alright, well, we're just mere minutes away. I'm gonna go home, gonna watch Boardwalk Empire. Gonna have a seltzer on my balcony. That's all I wanna do. Look at him, is he really just gonna go? This fucking taxi cab? This fucking taxi dude is just gonna send it. Look at him. You don't care. I think his client is probably telling him that. Come on, bro. Are you going or what are you doing? Here we go. Let's get in there. Look at the gorgeous New York City skyline. No, it's fine. I'm not splitting just yet. I'm enjoying the view. I do appreciate you, making room and all that. I'm just enjoying this view. I love this view. Such a big fan. This promenade and all that. It's nice. You see the Manhattan, the Brooklyn, because it goes BMW, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Williamsburg Bridge. You see Brooklyn Bridge right there. Financial district, seaports. All right, and now it's time to go. We're gonna get ahead a little bit. Go to Manhattan, but there's gonna be just so much fucking traffic there. And this is it. This is the Dude, bananas. Sweet bananas and delicious ones too. I'm allergic to you, but I eat you anyway. Sweet bananas and delicious ones too. I'm allergic to you, but I eat you anyway. Sweet bananas, sweet bananas. Turn signals and everything. Excuse me, sir. Madame. Ooh, I love that Volvo. See the Volvo in the middle lane? That green? Do like it. Let's get behind it and just admire it. Admire the gorgeous color. It's not bad. Not a bad color at all. Ooh, that Camry, baby. Let's get after it. Yes. Yes. Camry, baby. Camry, baby. My boy dipping. That's a girl. Fuck yeah. I think I'm in love. I think I'm in love. Anyway, this is my exit. This is it. So let's calm down. No need to speed. No need to be a jerk. Turning off into Williamsburg. So cute and fun and good. A delicious location to be. For you and for you and for me. I think we're gonna be all right. My pants are too short. What are you gonna do? Short pants. Short pants. That's why they call me short pants. Oh, look at that. Big fat boy. Oh, yeah. Anyway. Anywho. This is all I got for you. Love this bike. I don't give half a fuck what anybody says. I'm keeping it forever. I'm gonna put on 300,000 miles onto this little bitch. Onto this little bitch. Do 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 do. Ti 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 do do do. Pop 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 pop. Bum 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 bum. Come on. They got pizza. Anyway, boys and girls, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you later, okay? Jesus Christ, bye.